In this video, I will show you how to change your Apple ID country or region. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap your name at the top. Then tap Media and Purchases. Next, tap View Account. Here you might need to sign in with your Apple ID password. Now tap Country or Region. Now tap Change Country or Region option. Select your new country or region from the list. Now you need to review the terms and conditions. Tap Agree button in the top right hand corner. Now select the payment method and enter your new payment information and billing address. You can set payment method as none if you don't want to add payment details. Once done, tap Next. And country or region on your iPhone will change. So that is how you can change your Apple ID country or region. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.